I created the Scamspotter GPT to help you recognize and avoid investment scams. Have you tried it? Have you tried it? I created it just for you. If you've not tried it, you can check the link in my bio and try it out. Today, I actually want to update Scamspotter GPT to become more data-centric. That means when you feed Scamspotter GPT with a prompt, I want it to deliver its information backed by data. But before that, let's see how it's doing right now. Let's query it. Can you tell me why you think people fall for investment scams? People often fall for investment scams due to a variety of psychological and situational factors. One, promises of high returns with low risk, sophisticated marketing techniques, social proof and pressure, lack of knowledge, emotional decision-making, concealment of information. Okay, so you reading this, what do you think? If you've ever fallen for an investment scam, why did you fall for one? What was it that got you? I'm going to ask another question. If there are no promises of high returns and low risk, do you think they will invest their money in the first place? Let's see what Scamspotter is saying. That's a sharp question. If investment scams then offer the law of high returns with low risk, they'll probably attract far fewer people. The promise of exceptional returns is a key element that draws individuals in. Is this a law of making quick substantial gains with minimal risk that often overshadows rational judgment and due diligence? In more typical legitimate investments, higher returns are usually associated with higher risk. Investors generally understand this trade-off and make choices based on their risk tolerance and financial goals. When a so-called investment defies this principle by offering high returns at low risk, it should raise a red flag as it goes against the basic tenets of investing. Scammers exploit the natural desire for financial security and prosperity, and that's why they dangle these unrealistic promises as bait. Without such enticing offers, their schemes would likely not be nearly as effective, as more investors will stick to traditional, well-understood and lower-risk investment channels. So this is basically brilliant. It is actually a sharp answer for a very sharp question. All right. That question was kind of like, tactical, but Scamspotter GPT was actually able to at least give us something that, is tangible. So the next question I'm going to be posing, do you have a story that depicts an example or case study that depicts high returns, low risk investments? Scamspotter, absolutely. One of the most famous examples of an investment scam promising high returns with low risk is the case of Bernie Madoff's Ponzi scheme. Here's how it unfolded. I believe a lot of us know the Bernie Madoff story. Bernie Madoff was offering high returns, typically around 10 to 12% annually, which was rather unusual and generous compared to typical market returns. And he claimed that these returns were the result of his unique, sophisticated trading strategy, which he was reluctant to disclose. But in reality, Bernie Madoff was not investing in any stock. He was doing nothing. He was running a big Ponzi scam. So I'm going to go to edit Scamspotter GPT. I want it to be more data-centric. I want it to give me data each time I pose it a query, not just, like flat answers. So it's asking me, welcome back. Is there anything Scamspotter should be doing better? Anything you would like to change? And here's my response. Yes, I want Scamspotter to always present information backed by data where necessary. It should scout through the net and should be able to present relevant data from credible website sources about any investment opportunity. GPT Builder is actually updating Scamspotter GPT. It says here, I've updated Scamspotter to always back its advice with data where necessary and to prioritize sourcing information from credible online sources when evaluating investment opportunities. Here's the updated behavior. Let's go through the updated behavior. Scamspotter now acts as a meticulous research assistant, specializing in providing detailed data-backed insights into investment opportunities by leveraging information from credible web sources first. When users inquire about specific investment opportunities, Scamspotter meticulously scouts the internet for relevant data and presents this information clearly. It offers practical and empathetic advice, ensuring that data and statistics are at the forefront of its evaluations to aid users in making well-informed decisions. Scamspotter still emphasizes the importance of understanding complex concepts through straightforward explanations and continues to provide real-world scam case analysis, including methods to detect and avoid them. The emphasis on data ensures a high level of reliability and authority in its advice. It says, please confirm if this updated behavior meets your requirements, and I'm saying yes, it does. Okay, it says, great. If you need any more adjustments or have any other requests, just let me know. Happy to help. Okay, so we're going back to preview Scamspotter, the new and updated version, of course. Let's see. What percentage of people who defer towards high returns and low risk investments will not invest if presented with a low return investment option? So let's see the Datacentric Scamspotter. Let's see how to respond. The document you uploaded does not directly provide specific statistics on the percentage of people who defer towards high returns and low risk investments. It says here, for broader industry knowledge, it's well known that investment decisions are influenced by the risk-return profile that an individual is comfortable with. Those who seek high returns with low risk might be less inclined to engage in low return options, as these do not align with their financial goals or risk appetite. However, quantifying this without specific survey, data or statistical research results in exact percentages is challenging. If you need more precise data or studies related to investor behavior and preferences for high versus low return investments, you might consider looking at financial behavior research reports or investor surveys that are publicly available through financial research institutions or academic publications. By and large, that was a tough one for Scamspotter GPT. Just through the web and give me data on the amount of money lost by investors to investment scams in the last 10 years. So basically, it says over the past decade, investment scams have caused significant financial losses for investors. Here are some key figures. 2023, investors lost over $8 billion to investment scams, with more than $4.6 billion reported to the FTC. Okay, and it is quoting the websites that it got it from. Perfect. This is actually what I want. 2022, the reported losses from investment scams were nearly $3.8 billion, more than doubling the amount reported in 2021. 2019 to 2021, losses continue to rise dramatically each year. In 2020, Americans lost $1.8 billion to investment scams, a significant jump from $1.1 billion in 2019. So it didn't give me 10 years data, but at least an average of 4 years, I think between 2023 to 2019. Okay, maybe like 5 years. So notable trends. The trends of investment scams increased by 5.7% from 2022 to 2023, while the amount lost surged by 19% from 3.9 billion to 4.6 billion US dollars. So ask them that question again. What are the biggest investment fraud trends? Reveal this with data if possible. The investment fraud trends have evolved significantly driven by technological advancements and the increasing sophistication of scammers. Here are some of the most prominent trends. Cryptocurrency and digital assets, crypto scams, NFT scams, generative AI and deepfakes, AI-driven scams. Fraudsters are leveraging generative AI to create sophisticated scams, including deepfake videos, voices, and emails. This technology makes it easier to create convincing fraudulent content, leading to increased risk for both businesses and consumers. Synthetic identities. The use of AI to create synthetic identities has surged. Investment and cause-related deception, emotional appeals. Scammers are increasingly using emotional appeals in investment schemes, often tying scams to charitable causes or urgent investment opportunities to manipulate victims into handing over money. Number 4, advanced phishing and malware. Phishing attacks, MFA bombing, first-party fraud and credit abuse, retail fraud, credit fraud. He says, overall, the landscape of investment fraud is becoming more complex and harder to navigate. Both businesses and individuals need to adopt advanced fraud prevention strategies, including the use of AI and multi-layered security approaches to mitigate these risks effectively. So the final question I'll be asking, which country is worst hit by investment scams? The United States is the country worst hit by investment scams. In 2023, Americans lost more than $8 billion to investment scams, with specific states like California, New York, Florida, and Texas reporting the highest losses. California alone saw losses increase by 13% to 1.56 billion, even though the number of scams cases slightly decreased. Cryptocurrency investment scams have been particularly devastating in the US, with losses growing by 53% to 3.94 billion in 2023. This significant impact is attributed to the widespread adoption of digital currencies and the prevalence of related fraud schemes. Overall, the US reports consistently high figures in investment scam losses, making it the most affected country globally. Efforts by regulatory bodies like the FTC and the FBI are ongoing to combat this growing issue. Right now, I think I'm really pleased with Scamspotter GPT. At least it's been updated to be more data-centric. Each person using Scamspotter can actually go to the website by just clicking, the areas with, the links in the information it provides. Go to the website and you can actually continue, with the information that you are seeking. So I want you to spread the word about Scamspotter GPT. Share it with your friends and your family. Before they invest, they can actually bring all of the information to Scamspotter GPT and say, Scamspotter GPT, I'm about to invest in a certain deal. What do you think? Do you think this is an investment scam? And see what it says. All right. So I hope you are going to enjoy using Scamspotter GPT to spot scams, to recognize scams, scam investments, and to avoid them completely. So before you go, please do not forget to subscribe to this channel to go a long way in building our investing community. And do not forget to share this video. Also, do not forget to like this video. Also, I want to see your comment on this video. You can actually say something, tell me something, anything I need to do or add to actually make Scamspotter GPT better. Also, click on the notification bell and above all, do not forget to subscribe. So thank you for watching and catch you soon.